deityaisha signing in. Hello guys, deityaisha here, and today I'm going to make Jamaican salad. It's my first time to taste this one, and why not? It seems so delicious. I like the ingredients, so that's why I want to try it. Yeah, let's try it today. Welcome to our kitchen. In your separate bowl, you are going to dissolve these 3 tablespoons of sugar with your 1/4 cup of warm water and 1/4 cup of vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar if you like. After you dissolve this, you're going to pour it into your salad. And then after that, you can add your olive oil or sesame oil. Jamaican salad usually have garlic powder or black pepper powder, but for me, I just leave those two because I want the natural taste. Ayan guys, I will try this now. Wow. Ooh. This is the first one. Wow. I like salad with a sweet and sour kind of taste, and this is like sweet. So if you like sour, you can add lime or lemon, calamansi, or yeah. Turned out really delicious. Thank you so much for you and for your recipe. I love this one. Jamaican salad. Woohoo! Thank you guys.